Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant noise of daily life? Maybe you've heard about meditation but aren't sure where to start or if it's even for you. Well, you're not alone. Meditation is an ancient practice that's helping millions of people find calm, clarity, and balance in today's fast-paced world. In this video, we're diving into the essentials of meditation for beginners. You'll learn what meditation is, how to get started, and the incredible benefits it can bring to your mind, body, and overall well-being. Whether you're curious or ready to take your first steps into mindfulness, this guide will give you everything you need to begin your journey. So, let's get started. Meditation is the practice of focusing your mind and calming your thoughts to achieve a state of mental clarity, relaxation, and heightened awareness. It's not about stopping your thoughts completely or forcing your mind to be still, but rather about observing your thoughts without judgment and gently guiding your focus. At its core, meditation is a way to connect with your inner self, create space for peace amidst the chaos, and cultivate mindfulness in everyday life. It can take many forms, from focusing on your breath, repeating a mantra, or even visualizing peaceful scenes. Meditation isn't tied to any particular religion or belief system, it's a universal practice accessible to anyone, anywhere. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or deepen your spiritual connection, meditation offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance your life. Meditation isn't just about sitting in silence, it offers a wealth of incredible benefits that can positively impact every aspect of your life. Let's take a closer look at just a few of the many ways meditation can help you. First, meditation is known to reduce stress. By slowing down your thoughts and focusing on the present moment, you can activate your body's relaxation response, lowering the levels of stress hormones and promoting a deep sense of calm. Second, regular meditation helps improve focus and concentration. When you train your mind to stay present, you can enhance your ability to focus on tasks and be more productive throughout the day. Meditation also promotes emotional health. It has been shown to decrease symptoms of anxiety and depression, increase feelings of happiness, and improve overall emotional well-being. By becoming more aware of your emotions, you can respond to them with greater clarity and balance. Another great benefit is better sleep. Many people struggle with restless nights, but by practicing meditation before bed, you can calm your mind, ease anxiety, and improve the quality of your sleep. Lastly, meditation enhances your self-awareness. It encourages you to observe your thoughts and patterns without judgment, helping you gain insight into yourself and your behaviors, fostering personal growth. These are just a few of the powerful benefits meditation can bring. By committing to just a few minutes a day, you can start experiencing all of these and more. Starting a meditation practice might seem a bit intimidating at first, but the beauty of meditation is that it's simple and accessible to everyone, no matter where you are in your journey. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. First, find a quiet, comfortable space. You don't need anything fancy, just a spot where you can sit comfortably without distractions. This could be a corner of your room, your favorite chair, or even a peaceful outdoor setting. Next, choose a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or even lie down, whatever feels best for you. Just make sure your back is straight, which helps keep you alert and focused during your practice. Now, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale gently through your mouth. This helps signal to your body that it's time to relax. The next step is to focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, that's okay, simply notice where it's gone and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Don't judge yourself, and don't feel frustrated. Meditation is about practice, not perfection. You can start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. As you get more comfortable, you can extend your practice to 20 minutes or more. The key is consistency. Try to make meditation a part of your daily routine, whether it's first thing in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Remember, meditation isn't about forcing your mind to be blank, it's about training your mind to stay present and aware. With practice, you'll start to notice the powerful benefits it brings to your life. As with any new habit, starting a meditation practice can come with its own set of challenges. But don't worry, these obstacles are completely normal, and with time, you'll learn how to overcome them. Let's take a look at some common challenges beginners face and how to handle them. First, restlessness or difficulty sitting still. It's common for your body to feel uncomfortable or for your mind to want to jump from thought to thought. If this happens, try adjusting your position to make yourself more comfortable, or start with shorter sessions. Even just a few minutes of stillness is a great start, and over time, you'll find that sitting still becomes easier. Another challenge is wandering thoughts. It's completely normal for your mind to drift away from your breath or focus point. When this happens, simply acknowledge the thought and gently return your attention to your breath or mantra. Meditation isn't about stopping all thoughts, it's about noticing them without getting caught up in them. For many beginners, there's also a sense of impatience. You may want immediate results, whether it's calmness, focus, or peace. Meditation is a gradual process, and it's important to be patient with yourself. The benefits build over time, so stick with it and celebrate the small improvements. Self-doubt is another common challenge. You might wonder if you're doing it right. The truth is, there's no perfect way to meditate. Every session will be different, and that's okay. Meditation is a personal practice, and as long as you are present and mindful, you're doing it right. Lastly, sticking to a routine can be tricky, especially when life gets busy. Try to establish a regular time for meditation each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Setting a reminder or incorporating it into an existing routine, like right after waking up or before going to bed, can help you stay consistent. Remember, challenges are part of the journey. With persistence and practice, you'll develop your meditation practice and begin to experience its many benefits. Now that you've got an idea of what meditation is and the common challenges beginners face, let's dive into some tips that will help you build a successful meditation practice. First, start small. If you're just beginning, don't feel pressured to meditate for long periods right away. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Even a few minutes can have a positive impact on your well-being. Next, create a peaceful space. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can meditate without distractions. You don't need anything fancy, just a spot where you can feel relaxed and at ease. You might want to add items that help set the mood, like candles, incense, or soft lighting. Consistency is key. Try to meditate at the same time every day. Whether it's in the morning to start your day with calm, or in the evening to wind down, having a consistent practice will help you build the habit. Setting a daily reminder can also help you stay on track. Focus on your breath. A simple yet powerful way to anchor your attention during meditation is by focusing on your breath. Feel the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's a natural part of meditation, and it helps train your mind to stay present. Be kind to yourself. Meditation isn't about perfection. There's no need to judge yourself or your experience. If your mind races, or if you feel restless, just acknowledge it and gently return to your practice. The goal is not to stop all thoughts, but to develop a sense of awareness and calm. Lastly, embrace the process. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. Each session will be different, and that's perfectly fine. Celebrate the small moments of peace and clarity, and be patient with yourself as you continue to grow in your practice. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to developing a meditation practice that supports your mental, emotional, and spiritual growth. Now that we've gone over the basics of meditation and tips for success, I'd like to guide you through a short meditation. This will help you get a feel for how it works and give you a taste of the peace and calm that meditation can bring. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or even lie down, whatever feels best for you. Just make sure your body feels at ease, your spine is straight, and your hands are resting gently on your lap or knees. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Pause, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension you might be holding. Let's do that again. Deep breath in. Pause, and exhale, letting go of any stress or worry. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air as it enters your body through your nose, and notice how it feels as you exhale. Don't force it, just observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Let your breath anchor you in the present moment. If any thoughts arise, it's okay. Simply notice them and let them float away, like leaves on a stream. Gently return your focus to your breath, without judgment or frustration. As you continue to breathe, imagine a warm, peaceful light filling your body. It starts at the top of your head, gently spreading down your neck, shoulders, arms, and torso. Feel this light softening any tension, bringing a sense of relaxation and calm to your body. Allow this light to flow all the way down to your legs, feet, and toes, leaving you with a sense of deep peace. Stay in this moment for a few more breaths, allowing yourself to be fully present, fully at peace. Pause. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch gently if you like, and when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this calm and peace with you into the rest of your day. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need to find calm or reconnect with yourself. Thank you for meditating with me today. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video on meditation for beginners. We've covered a lot of important information, so let's quickly recap the key points. First, we learned that meditation is a practice that helps calm the mind, increase self-awareness, and improve mental clarity. We discussed the many benefits, like reducing stress, enhancing focus, and even boosting emotional well-being. We also went over some simple steps to get started, such as finding a quiet space, getting comfortable, and focusing on your breath. Remember, meditation is about creating space for yourself to just be, without judgment or pressure. I also shared some common challenges beginners face, like dealing with wandering thoughts or staying consistent. But don't worry, these challenges are part of the process, and with practice, it gets easier. Lastly, I guided you through a short meditation to help you experience firsthand the peace that comes with this practice. If you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to start your own meditation journey, don't forget to hit the like button, and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with more mindfulness and self-improvement content. I'd love to hear about your meditation experiences or any questions you might have, so leave a comment below. I'm here to support you on your journey. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be kind to yourself.